Hi, my name is Jeremiah Daws. It is Monday, January 11th, right before 8 a.m. Up until 3 days ago, I worked for the Walt Disney Company as a video producer, producing social media content and commercials, things like that, in Orlando. And I quit my job to go back to school, this school, Oconee Fall Line Technical College in a small town in Georgia, and I am going to learn to be a machinist. Very different, very strange. Just felt like it was time to change things up. I'm 40 years old. I have no wife, no kids. I felt like I was just ready for a change. And over the last few years, I've developed a love for making things. And so I thought maybe learning machining is the next step in my journey. So I really don't know where this is leading. I eventually would like to open a shop or of some kind, but we'll see what happens. This is very strange, very different. I was living in Orlando, and now I'm living in a small town in Georgia. So I'm a little nervous. I'm going to be probably the oldest person in the class. I don't know what to expect, but I'm going to try to do some more updates as this happens. I'm really excited to learn a new skill. Most of my making skills have been self-taught, or either had a little bit of woodworking taught by my dad. Lots of YouTube videos that I've watched, but it'll be really cool to kind of get that one-on-one training from, an experienced maker, machinist. So this is exciting. I guess it's time to go in. So here I go.